Namaste everyone. Today we explore one of the most subtle yet most powerful dimension of Ayurvedic physiology, that is the Manovaha Srotas, the channel or pathway that regulate the functions of the psyche, which is a functional, perceptive and integrative entity that pervades the entire body, influencing how we sense, feel, think, and respond. Just as pranava move through physical channels, mental process flow through manova srotas, connecting our sensory organs, emotions, cognition, and physiological functions. Understanding Manova Srotas is not only a study of mind body interaction, but a key to understanding how stress, emotions, memory, and perception shape health. When these channels are clear, there is a clarity, stability, cheerfulness, and proper coordination of sense faculties. But when disturbed, they become the root cause of conditions like anxiety, depression, insomnia, impaired memory, and psychosomatic disorders. Today, as we delve into the physiology of Manova Srotas, let us appreciate how Ayurveda beautifully integrates psychology with physiology, demonstrating that true health is possible only when the mind and body flow in harmony. So let us begin our journey. Physiology of Manova Srotas. So first we discuss about the site of the Manova Srotas. Just as Vata, Pitta and Kapha pervade the whole body through various srotas, similarly, Indriyas along with Mana, Atma and related entities have the entire body as their field of activity, though they have specific central seat where it primarily resides or operates from there. So let us discuss about the that central or primary sitting area of the Manova Srotas. The Manas, which governs and coordinates all the Indriyas or sense faculties, is located inside the head, beneath the palate. There is also exist the sense faculties along with their objects that are taste, smell, sound, form and touch. Here, Bale directly specify a physical location inside the head, possibly corresponding to the cranial cavity or brain region beneath the palate. This correlates the anatomically to the hypothalamic or limbic region in modern neurophysiology area associated with the emotional, sensory and cognitive coordination. So there is a common misconception that man is same as the brain. This is not correct. Man is a sensory, perceptive, cognitive, and integrative functional entity that operates throughout the body. It participates in sunspurs and monospurs at every level, pervading the entire body, except in structure dominated by Kesh, Lom, Nakagra, and Maldrav Gun. Although Man is functionally pervasive, its primary controlling and coordinating center is in the head, particularly the region beneath the palate, correlating to the vital brain and center of consciousness and sensory coordination. Now we discuss the mind in the context to the Triguna. The mind is of three types: pure sattvic, rasic, and tamasic. The pure sattvic one is free from causing abnormalities as it gifted with the auspiciousness. Whereas the rasic type is impure because it promotes furious temperament, that is anger. So in the same way, The tamasic one is similarly impure because of the bewilderment, the delusion. Now, now we discuss about the man in the context of the dosha. Vayu, Pith and Kapha are described as bodily doshas. So Rajas and Tamas in the same way they are described as the mental doshas or mansic doshas. Rajas and Tamas are the dosha pertaining to the mind, and the types of the morbidity caused by them are kama, that is desire, krodh, anger, loभ, greed, moh, attachment, irsha, envy, man, that is the pride, mad, rudeness, shok, grief, chinta, worry, udveg, anxiety, bhai, fear, ars, excitement, and so on. They are considered as the abnormalities of the rajas and tamas. Body mind interdependence in context to the health and disease. The body influences the mind. In the same way, mind influences the body. Both body and mind are the abode of diseases as well as health. So the balance is cause of health and imbalance is lead to the diseases. Ayurveda teaches that health is not only the absence of physical illness but also include the mental well-being. The body and mind are inseparable, so they function as a one unit. Health and happiness arise when there is a perfect coordination and equilibrium between the body, mind, and spirit. When the harmony is lost, disease and sorrow appear. So we'll discuss it with the simple example. First example is in related to the mind affliction affect the body. So when a person is under mental stress or anxiety, he may develop headache, indigestion or hypertension. So in the same way, second example related to the body affliction affect the mind. So when someone suffer from a long-term illness or pain, he often feels low and depressed or irritated. The third example related to the balance. The balance, the cause of the health. A person who maintains the balanced diet, regular routine, and mental calmness stay healthy and content. And fourth example related to the imbalance, the cause of the disease. A person who overworks, eats irregularly, or is constantly anxious disturb is this balance, and that lead to the different type of the psychosomatic disorders. Now we discuss about the common reasons for the psychic diseases. Manas or psychological disease are caused by the conflict between not getting the desired things and getting non-desired things. So this is the common reason for the all psychic diseases. Now we discuss about the preventive measure for the psychic diseases. A wise person, even if suffering from psychological disease, should consider carefully what is beneficial and what is harmful for health. One should discard the harmful or unwholesome regimens and do the beneficial work regarding dharma, that is the virtuous conduct, earth, that is the wealth, and calm, that is the desire. So, in this world, happiness or sorrow cannot occur without this dharma, earth, and calm. So that is why one should try to indulge in doing beneficial work and discard the harmful one. One should serve the intellect and also try to acquire knowledge about the Atma, that is the self, and Desh, place, Kal, time, Bal, strength, and Shakti, that is the potential. So that is why it is said that the treatment of psychological disease is to follow the conduct related dharma, earth, and calm. to do service of person who are having knowledge of psychological diseases and follow their instruction to obtain the knowledge about the self and so on. So now what is the ultimate healing therapy for psychic diseases? Recurrence of all sensation is cancelled through yoga and moksha. So the absolute eradication of sensation is attained through moksha, and the yoga is a mean to attain moksha. Thank you.